Let's roll. July 5th. Got the golf car unloaded. He's got Bianca sitting there in her bed. You guys remember the Alfa Romeo video. He's got his A-frame. You guys remember the rock lights on that. So I'm set up. I'm already cranked up. Got it set back up. Showers are way over that way. Well, I have a shower on here with some zip ties, some conduit. I'm making myself a shower. So here, let's see. I'll get it set up. Watch this. Ooh, my elbow fell off. Ah! Crisis! Crisis! So if you look around, my mama didn't raise no filthy animal. My problem I got is that's kind of open. If it gets windy and I'm in the shower, no. Everybody's getting a show. And it's either going to be applause or laughter. Jeez. What the hell is all this out here?
It's all part of the grounds for parking.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, damn, I want to camp over here. So we're going to register the go-kart, the golf cart. So I've had a couple of foo-foo drinks. Ooh!
No hands!
Ah, just don't turn fast or else we're ending up in the rhubarb. Lose my hat.
Woo! Alright, cart path.
Uh-oh. All right.
Alright.
Another excellent would be a shop truck right there. GMC. I don't know. Which way? That? Oh, yeah, up there. You're right.
Oh, we gotta go straight across, but we can't go that way.
Can't go.
This
It says cart parking right there. Go.
we had to park, but we have to go.
There's a cart coming down. There's a cart
We
coming
have to
down.
go on the other side.
Well, I don't know what the game's. I didn't look at the map.
You know what I'm realizing? We need a faster cart for next year. Why don't we just put like a little V6 in it?
Why don't I just pick up another GSXR and we'll just modify another one?
Yeah, I mean that's
Sit out here and do
great.
wheelies like Cletus.
We'll have to start it up just to move it every 10 feet for the next row. Oh, it's gonna be like an episode of Jackass. We're gonna hurt so
I
bad.
know, I'm thinking that myself here.
How do we get to gate 1 to register?
Your cart?
Yeah.
You know what? You can't do it tonight. Tomorrow.
Well, so much for tonight. We can't register the cart tonight. We got to do it in the morning. Got our map down. Now back. Well, it's first morning, Thursday morning, July 6th, Iola, Wisconsin. We're just getting ready to head in there. It's already been going for about an hour and a half. It's 8:30 right now. Let's go do it. DJ said that he's ready to entertain. Oh my God. Hang on. I don't know if I can tint things down. Oh, God. Are we going to be Bobsy twins today? Let's see.
Yeah, pretty
I guess that we are.
Miss Clara Anderson, everybody.
Show me another place where 50,000 people stop other than in a stadium, but at a swap meet. That's America.
Your ice cold free lemonade!
Always make sure you get your ice cold free lemonade. Iola, Wisconsin, where you can find this to this. To Dragula and to Butch Patrick. To Emily from Flying Sparks. To Aaron and Emily from Flying Sparks Garage. To Derek and Jessica. Even the local news is here. How about
We're
that?
here. Hi there.
That is awesome. I was wondering how you guys coupled them together. That is awesome. All right, that was pretty awesome. So literally DJ catches this. Check this out. If you know, you know.
Yeah, I ain't going nowhere. I did.
So you did all the machining yourself on it? You said it was just a block that you
Yeah.
had, and then you did everything else on the inside.
Took about 5 years.
So that was my first day at Iola. Figured I might as well end it here. Gonna make another one tomorrow, even though it's damn near midnight. It's been kind of a long day. Thanks a bunch for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to get together with Greg Stelz at Greg's Speed Shop. And it's going to be another full-filled day today. As you can see, I'm pretty red, so. But what a great day. Big thanks to everybody that I ran into. Ran into a few of you out there. Thanks very much. Have yourself a good night. Be good.